I'm making molding for Lewis Townhouse, and I have one window, I guess a valance maybe, I'm not sure what you call it, above the window. Then the molding will come down through on both sides. So I did it a little bit different, same overall structure. I have 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch strip, another 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch strip, and then spacers in the middle. So I first nail this part one side at a time, and then I have boards ready that are, so this one is an inch wider and an inch longer on each end, and then same thing here and same thing here. So I maybe they're not a full inch wider. Yeah, I can't remember what I did. Maybe I only did 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, I might have. So this one I needed a depth of 5 1/4 inches according to my measurement. This is for the top window. The other two have more space. So I made the opening here a little bit wider. I used 2 inch in between. Now before I did shorter pieces and more openings. I decided to vary it a little bit. So on this one I did use a different profile. And I was thinking, so what if they don't look the same all the way around, because we've seen that at Zehr where they did one dormer one way and then they added a little bit change in design for another dormer. So with that in mind, I said, okay, I'm going to change it up a little bit and be a little creative and try a different one. So I still have 2 more layers to put on here, and then this one's complete. And then I have one more to make. I have the another 38 inch, which I'll use the 2 inch there because I have more space. So I need to get them done, and then I need to rip a bunch of this into 3 1/2 inch. I have a bunch of piles here ready to rip, the final rip. And then I need some that is 2 3/4 to finish off the one corner near the garages. Okay, so I need to get this done. We're leaving tomorrow morning, so I want to get this all. I can't get it done now, but at least I can get a bunch of it done. I'll have to work on it tonight. Okay, let's get working.